Okay, this week's Take and Make kit is super simple. We are going to use just 2 ingredients, some baking soda and some water. This is my water bottle, to make clean mud or fake snow, whatever you want to call it. It's a fun sensory play. It's safe for younger kids. They can eat it. It won't taste good, but if they put it in their mouth, it's not going to hurt them. It's fun to get some toys involved if you want. You can get little plastic polar bears, penguins, any sort of snow creature, or if you want to have some fun, you can put maybe safari creatures. If you want, you can put hot weather creatures in the snow for a little bit of fun. But I'm going to start by taking off my reins because it's a little bit gritty. It also feels a little bit like kinetic sand. So if you like kinetic sand, this is an easy and cheap way to make it. So we're going to do 3 parts baking soda to 1 part water. I'm going to put in 1/3 of a cup of baking soda. Try to get a level cup there. Put it in my bowl. And I'm going to seal that back up. Put my rubber band on it just to keep it closed. And then I did a little math, used some fractions, and figured out that about 2 tablespoons of water is the correct amount. So I'm going to add it a little bit slowly. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon, and then I'm going to add just maybe half of another tablespoon, and start to mix it up a little with your spoon. See if you can get it to the consistency that you like. You don't want it to be super runny, but you do want it to be moldable. Get it off my spoon a little bit there. All right, I think this is actually a pretty good consistency the way it is, so I don't need quite 2 tablespoons. And your kit is gonna have 1/3 cup of baking soda, so about 2 tablespoons is what you're gonna wanna use. And as you can see, I can mold it and rub it, I can play with it. And if I get it close, you can kind of hear the noises it makes. It feels really cool on your skin. Kind of like mud, but it's all clean, and the nice thing for the grown-ups out there is that this cleans up really well. In fact, baking soda is used a lot in cleaning. It has some scrubbing powder, so if you get some on your table, you can use it to scour your table a little bit as you clean it up with just some water. And there is your clean mud or fake snow. Enjoy.